Hi, Lori.
Hi, Rosal. Welcome to Manor Farm.
Thanks.
Come on in.
All right, let's
Got
go.
a classroom in here. We're starting to gather up our stuff for our event next week. This is a map of some things some of our Earth Rangers have found in the parkland behind here. So they've marked a lot of the discoveries on the map. And it's a small meeting place.
What do you use this classroom for?
For group meetings, for some of our Earth Rangers that come on Saturdays, eating lunch while we're doing activities and so forth. So we do have the indoor place, which is nice, and a bathroom, which is important. But it's a small little classroom. But we're happy to have it here.
And so tell me a little bit more about Starflower Experiences, what the organization is and what you guys do.
We're an educational organization, and our whole point is to really help people understand some basic natural processes, what that means for us in our own lives, appreciate the natural world, and make a difference in our own lives, the choices, our everyday choices, how that impacts the natural world. So we're really trying to help people use their head, the understandings, their heart, the feelings, and their hand, take action, is really where we're coming from with our programming and activities.
Great, thank you.